Hello and welcome to the video. Merry Christmas. It is finally Christmas Day. Hopefully you and yours are having fun this morning, but I thought I would just kind of come on here for a couple of things really. First of all, to wish you season's greetings. Hope you're having a fantastic time with your loved ones and you've got your Christmas jumpers on too. I have my Santa hat and everything, but the other reason is I think I'm going to do a couple of giveaways on the channel. So you are watching this, you're in the right place. First thing I'm going to give away is going to be this thing here. I'm not going to be using it in any of my builds, but if you are interested in Pixhawk and you fancy having a go and play with this kind of technology and putting Ardu Pilot in stuff and playing with VTOLs and all kinds of different things that you see on the channel, then this is going to be quite a cool thing for you to use on the bench to figure all that stuff out. So standard stuff. If you want to be within a chance of winning this, then like, comment and subscribe. I'll probably do the draw in the very first couple of days of 2024 and I will post the results on the channel, so do stay tuned. There are going to be a couple more of these, so again, best wishes. Have a wonderful day of Christmas with your family and friends and loved ones. Have a fab time. Best wishes for 2024 if I don't see you again, but do keep checking in the videos between now and the new year because there'll be at least one or two more giveaways. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.